Good morning. Finally got a decent night's sleep after several nights of not sleeping well. Sitting here having coffee with Lee. But I look like I've stayed out all night. Even though the sideburns are screwed up. I do. I look like I stayed up all night on a binge. Holy crap, look at these. Oh. Mm. 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 Anyway, good morning everybody. Coming to you from Indio, California this morning. December the 12th, I think. Well, look what Buster got in his hair this morning while he was going to the potty. Silly dog. Prickly bushes. Anyway, we're here at Casino Spotlight 29 in Indio, California. We usually stop and boondock here for the night after we do the market or a trade show when we come past this area. This morning, the parking lot is absolutely full of people. Pretty day though, it's nice and warm. We want to thank the Spotlight 29 Casino for being so hospitable to RVers and boondockers. Anyway, we got to get on the road. We got some stuff to do. We got puzzles to make. There's Lee getting ready. Anyway, everybody have a good morning.